Hello, today I'm going to talk about Barbosa, Santander. Barbosa is a municipality in the department of Santander, Colombia. It is part of the province of Vélez, called by settlers in the region as La Puerta de Oro de Santander. It is in a privileged place as it crosses four important national trunk roads that stand out as a magnificent land port, which makes it very commercial in the territorial area. It is the first municipality of Santander by the south entrance of the department. Its foundation date is June 21, 1940. Its privileged geographical location and its colorful valley have allowed it to become the nerve center of an extensive region, and the roads that converge in it have made it an obligatory step and one of the most thriving municipalities in the department. Its name originates in memory of the Spanish general Eliodoro Barbosa, who was one of the encomenderos of the Uwanzas indigenous people belonging to the Chibcha Muisca culture. Flag. It is rectangular in shape and is made up of three horizontal stripes with the colors red, white, and green divided into equal stripes. Each of these colors has its meaning. Red represents the vigor and gallantry of our ancestors. It also represents the process of the bocadillo, the main product of the municipal economy. White represents the tranquility and harmony that have always characterized its inhabitants. Green represents the various agricultural products and their nature, the youth of their municipality, and the hope for a better future. Barbosa and Site have various festivities during the year. The 1st of January, there is a huge festival called Festival of Facundo Moraita. In this festival, people from all over the country come to Barbosa. It starts at 9 a.m. and consists in walking by the main streets of Barbosa, throwing flour, water, and lather to the ones walking with you or around you. Also in January, there is the National Festival of the Suarez River. People visit the river and swim, dance, families cook together and enjoy the view. There are sport competitions in different areas close to the river, and also the tanga contest, in which there are young women that represent each department and model in a tanga swimsuit in front of many people in order to be chosen as the Miss Tanga of each year. In June, we also have the festival De Regreso a Casa, or Welcome Home Festival, in which many people come back from their hometown to visit. There are many activities. For example, La Carrera de Carros Apagados, or the Turned Off Car Race. It's by teams, and what they do is that they take off several things from the cars, like seats and doors, to make it lightweight. The team has to push the car and complete the circuit in less amount of time. The team that completes the circuit in the least amount of time wins. In July, we have the Garden Festival. This festival takes place in Site, that is a township of Barbosa. In this festival, people from the area expose their beautiful flowers that come in different types and colors. Thank you very much.